Before buying an under-sink water filter for city water, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. City water might look clean, but it's full of chlorine, lead, and even PFAS chemicals that standard filters miss. Let's fix that. Product number 1, WaterDrop 10 UA. Let's start with the WaterDrop 10 UA. This is one of the most popular undersink filters for city water, and for good reason. It's priced around $48, which makes it a budget-friendly entry point, and it's certified to reduce PFAS, lead, and chlorine. If you want clean, better-tasting water without spending a fortune, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. City water often contains chlorine used in treatment, which leaves a weird taste and smell. The 10 UA uses activated carbon from coconut shells to remove that, plus it tackles PFAS and PFOA, those forever chemicals that are showing up in municipal supplies. It filters up to 11,000 gallons, which lasts about a year for a family of 4. Installation is fast, under 3 minutes with push-to-connect fittings, and replacement filters cost under $26, so long-term costs are low. Now, some people complained about compatibility issues with certain faucet types. The system only works with 1 2 or 3 8 female NPT threads, and if your setup is different, you might need an adapter. Here's the thing though, WaterDrop offers free fittings if you contact them before buying, so it's not a deal breaker, just a heads up. This is perfect for you if you're renting or on a tight budget but still want solid filtration. Skip this one if you have an unusual faucet setup and don't want to deal with customer service. For under $50, it's a steal. Product number 2, WaterDrop 15 UA. Now, if the 10 UA's 1-year lifespan felt too short, the WaterDrop 15 UA doubles that literally. At $71, it's still affordable, but it lasts up to 24 months and handles 19,000 gallons. That's nearly double the capacity, making it ideal for larger households or heavier usage. If you want longer filter life and don't mind paying a bit more upfront, this is the upgrade you've been looking for. Here's why this matters for you specifically. City water systems vary, and some areas have higher sediment or chemical loads. The 15 UA uses the same multi-stage filtration as the 10 UA but with a larger filter body, so it captures more contaminants over time. It reduces lead, chlorine, PFAS, and heavy metals, and it's IAPMO certified to NSF ANSI standards, meaning third parties verified the claims. The flow rate is solid at 0.75 GPM, so you won't notice a big drop in water pressure. Now, some people complained about the size. At nearly 17 inches tall, it might not fit under smaller sinks. Here's the thing though, if you have standard cabinet space, it fits fine, but if your undersink area is cramped, measure first. Otherwise, the extra height is worth it for the extended lifespan. This is perfect for you if you have a family or drink a lot of tap water and want fewer filter changes. Skip this one if your undersink space is tight. For the price, it's excellent long-term value. Product number 3, WaterDrop TSA 8 Layer. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for city water with extra contaminants. The WaterDrop TSA uses 8-stage filtration, including resin to reduce fluoride, something most basic filters don't touch. At $127, it's pricier, but if your city adds fluoride or you're concerned about PFAS and heavy metals, this is a serious step up. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Many city water systems add fluoride, which some people want to avoid. The TSA's resin layer targets that, while KDF material reduces heavy metals and the carbon block handles chlorine and taste. It's certified to NSF ANSI 42, and the 8-stage process ensures thorough cleaning. Now, some people complained about the slower flow. Here's the thing though, if you're filling a pitcher or cooking, it's barely noticeable. But if you need fast water for large pots, it might frustrate you. Also, it doesn't come with a dedicated faucet, so you'll use your existing one. This is perfect for you if you want maximum contaminant removal and don't mind a slight flow trade-off. Skip this one if you need high-speed water flow or already have a complex undersink setup. It's a premium filter for a premium concern. Product number 4, WaterDrop TSU Ultrafiltration. Now, if you're serious about space, smart features, and top-tier filtration, the WaterDrop TSU is in a league of its own. At $178, it's the most expensive here, but it includes a dedicated faucet, a smart panel with filter life indicators, and 0.01 micron ultrafiltration. If you want a clean, modern look and the best tech, this is it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 0.01 micron membrane removes bacteria, cysts, and fine particles that carbon filters can't catch. It also reduces PFAS, chlorine, and heavy metals while keeping beneficial minerals. The smart panel has 4 lights that tell you exactly when to change filters, no guessing. Installation requires drilling for the faucet, but everything's included, and it fits tight spaces with its slim tankless design. Here's the thing though, if you're not comfortable drilling into your countertop, this isn't for you. But if you want a permanent, high-end solution, the investment pays off in convenience and performance. This is perfect for you if you want a sleek, all-in-one system with smart reminders and maximum purity. Skip this one if you're renting or hate DIY projects. It's luxury filtration for those who want the best. Product number 5, WaterDrop 10UB with faucet. Finally, the WaterDrop 10UB. At $74, it's similar to the 10UA but comes with a premium stainless steel faucet. If you want a dedicated drinking water tap without the hassle of adapting your existing one, this is a smart middle ground. It filters 11,000 gallons and reduces PFAS, lead, and chlorine just like its sibling. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having a separate faucet means you're not diverting your main tap, so you get filtered water only when you need it. The faucet looks great in any kitchen and is lead-free and durable. Installation is still under 3 minutes and the filter replacement is tool-free. It's ideal if you want a cleaner sink setup without going full ultrafiltration. Now, some people complained about the faucet taking up counter space. Here's the thing though, if you have room near your sink, it's a small trade-off for the convenience. And if you already have a drinking water faucet, you might not need this version. This is perfect for you if you want a clean, dedicated filtered water source with a nice faucet. Skip this one if you're tight on counter space or already have a separate tap. For the price, it's a great balance of form and function. So which one should you pick? The 10UA is best for tight budgets, the 15UA for longer life, the TSA for fluoride and deep filtration, the TSU for smart features and ultra-pure water, and the 10UB if you want a sleek faucet. All are great, just match the filter to your water concerns and space. Thanks for watching and drink safe.